Assalamu alaikum. How are you, dear fellows? Hope you will be very fine. You already know me, Babar Maharvi, MPhil in English, and we have the previous day started one area grammar skill with Babar. In previous lecture, I told you previously what are we have a parts of the speech, and I have discussed you major 8 and 9 parts of speech. And in our today lecture number 2, dear fellows, I am going to describe you what is a noun and what are the kinds of the noun. You know that noun is a name of the person, place, thing or any idea. It is called noun. Or I told you in previous lecture, any naming thing in the world is called noun. As sky, you know that ocean, river, these are all things are called nouns. But in my today lecture, I am going to describe the major 8 kinds of the noun. So I hope that it will be clear to you. You will understand it very well, and waiting for your its comments about this area. Please, now I discuss you. First kind is a common noun. Common noun is a common name of a person, common place, common thing, or any general thing or general idea which is present everywhere commonly. So, as you know, example, boy can be any boy, country can be any country, chair can be any type of the chair, table can be any table. So, this is a common general things. Next, second kind is a proper noun. Proper noun, you know, which shows a proper person, proper place, proper thing or any proper idea. Proper noun have some difference. As I tell you, Ali is a proper name. Mean Ali can be a one person, not can be Ali more Ali, like Ali. And same Pakistan is a country in the world. You know the proper name of the country. White House in America, you know the name of Taj Mahal in India, Agra. So these are the things. We have a lot of example in daily life. These are proper noun. What is the difference between the common noun and proper noun? Common noun is in writing difference. I am telling you basic. In written when we write common noun, it starts from the small alphabets. But when we start from the proper noun, it is always start with the big letters, big alphabets. You clear or not clear? As Ali, Pakistan, White House, it is have a capital letters in situation in start. Concrete noun, the thing which have a physical presence, which we can see, we can touch them, we can also feel them, we can taste them. These are called concrete noun. As I told you, tree, you can touch it, you can see it, and coffee, you can taste it, clear. And dog, I have you can physically see it, or you can physically touch it. So the thing which have a physical presence can be called in concrete noun, which are physical presence. Fourth one is a abstract noun. Abstract noun and concrete noun, they are basically opposite to each other. In abstract noun, we can't see the thing physically, we can't touch them physically, there is no their physical presence, but we have just feelings and realization about these things. Suppose I give you example of the air. We can't see the air, we can't touch the air, but we just feel it, we could just realize it, and is like a truth, as like a sincerity, friendship. These are the humor. These are the things which have a no physically presence, but we have their realization, their feelings. And fifth one is a collective noun. Collective noun shows a plural things, combination or group of the people, group of the items, group of the things in which more than 2 or 3 are people included. So this is a group of the people, and we can suppose I am a team. Team can be of a 2 people team in the team, 3 people in the team, and same is the leg. And when army is also group of the people. It may be a group of the things are included. Jury, group of the judges included. Class, you know that a class 1 member, 2 member, 3 members. Here is if we talk about the generally group of the members included 1 or more than 1 things. So these are included in the collective noun. Then we talk about the countable noun. Countable noun is showing the name, the thing which can be counted. which we think we can physically count, can be included in the 2 books, 3 apples, 2 bottles, and the things we have a physically count them by 1, 2, 3. We can count them, and in opposite to it, mass are uncountable noun. Mass noun are uncountable thing which can be counted. It can be bought in the liters. It can be bought in the kgs. Clear? As you know, give me 1 liter milk, give me 2 kg rice, give me 3 kg sugars, and also same like milk, water. These are the things which are called uncountable or mass nouns, which cannot be counted, but we can buy them in the liters and kgs. And 8th one is showing material noun. Material noun is showing especially the thing which can be prepared by some material. I will give you example from the thing made of the cement, made of the concrete, made of some metal, silver, gold, metal things, lead things. These are all included in the material noun. So respected guys, respected dears, so these are the common 8 kinds of the noun which can be used in every aspect of the grammar. I hope that you got my idea, and any confusion, then we also discuss more in our next lectures. Hope that you will subscribe my channel, you will watch my videos, and also share your comments. Hoping and waiting for your comments and your subscription. Thanks. Allah Hafiz. See you.